Hello everyone, myself Manoj Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering in ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. I will discuss about the working of four-stroke petrol engine. We know that a four-stroke petrol engine, also known as a four-stroke internal combustion engine, is a type of engine commonly used in vehicles such as cars, motorcycle, and small aircraft. It operates on the principle of converting fuel into mechanical through a series of four distinct strokes. The first stroke is intake. Yeah, we can say that success stroke, a suction process. And next one is compression stroke. Third one is power stroke. Yeah, we can say that expansion stroke, yeah, working stroke. And last one is exhaust stroke. Here, how each stroke works of first one is intake, second one is compression. So we can say that intake stroke, also we can say suction stroke, compression stroke, power stroke, yeah, expansion stroke, yeah, working stroke. And last one is exhaust stroke. Now, one by one, I will discuss about all strokes. The first stroke is intake stroke, yeah, success stroke. In this figure, when intake stroke, yeah, success stroke, inlet valve will be open and exhaust valve will be closed. The piston moves to TDC. TDC means top dead center to BDC. BDC means bottom dead center. Yeah, we can say that a piston moves to top dead center to bottom dead center. When piston moves TDC to BDC, exhaust valve will be closed and inlet valve will be open and piston moves downward. When piston moves to downward, the petrol air mixture will be enter through inlet valve in combustion chamber. And this creates a vacuum in the cylinder. The mixture of air and fuel from the carburetor or fuel injector. This one is the success stroke, yeah, intake stroke. Next part, yeah, next stroke, compression stroke. When completing the success stroke, yeah, intake stroke, next process when piston moves BDC to TDC, all valve will be closed. Inlet valve and exhaust valve will be closed. The compressor of the air fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber, the compression process significantly increasing the pressure and temperature. Yeah, we can say that when piston moves to BDC to TDC, the volume of the combustion chamber will be decreased. When volume will be decreased and the pressure will be increased. When pressure will be increased, obviously temperature will be increased, because in this chamber have the air plus petrol mixture. Air plus petrol mixture. This is called compression stroke. Next point, power stroke. At the top of compression stroke, a spark plug ignite. This one is the spark plug. This one is the spark plug. The working of spark plug is produce the spark in the combustion chamber. The ignite mixture rapidly extend, creating a high pressure explosion. The explosion forces the piston down the cylinder. When explosion, expansion, the piston moves to TDC to BDC. When piston moves to TDC to BDC, the volume of the combustion chamber will be increased. The turning the crank shaft connecting to the piston. This one is the piston and this one is the crankshaft. The rotational motion of the crankshaft what ultimately generate the engine power. The power stroke is the phase where engine produce the mechanical energy required to the propeller the vehicles. So we can say that power stroke, yeah, working stroke. Next point is exhaust. After the power stroke या working stroke या expansion stroke, the exhaust valve opens. Exhaust valve, yeah, we can say that exhaust valve will be open and the piston will start moving the back of the cylinder again. Means a piston moves to BDC to TDC. Piston moves to BDC to TDC. The movement pushes the burnt gases resulting from the combustion chamber out the cylinder through exhaust valve and into the exhaust system. The exhaust gases are the expelled from the engine through the exhaust pipe. Okay, these are the exhaust stroke. These are references.